When we place a custom control or indicator in a VI, no connection exists between the custom control or indicator we saved and the instance of the custom control or indicator in the VI. Each instance of a custom control or indicator is a separate, independent copy. Therefore, changes we make to a custom control or indicator file do not affect VIs already using that custom control or indicator. So let's create a custom control. Note that the control is in control mode and not in type def or strict type def. So let's save it and replace it. Maybe I chose not to save it. So let's close it again. And let's save it. So we are using one copy in this VI, and let's create another copy. Control N, select a control, and now let's also open the original control. And let's make some change to it. Let's make it a little larger. And let's now again save it. So as you can see, the two copies have not been updated with the recent changes. If we want to link instances of a custom control or indicator to the custom control or indicator file, we should save the custom control or indicator as a type definition or strict type definition. All instances of a type definition or a strict type definition link to the original file from which we created them. When we save a custom control or indicator as a type definition or strict type definition, any data type changes we make to the type definition or strict type definition affect all instances of the type definition or strict type definition in all the VIs that use it. Also, cosmetic changes we make into a strict type definition affect all instances of the strict type definition on the front panel. So let's now save it as a strict type def. And let's now replace these two with the custom control we created. And this one as well. So now open the original file and note that we wouldn't be able to make changes to this control as this is a strict type def. So let's open the original, or we can do that directly from here, open type def, since now these are connected. And if we make change, since this is a graphic, we wouldn't be able to change the graphic itself, but we can change the background label color. And so if we save it, then you must have seen that these changes have already gone into the two instances that were linked to the uh, original file. So if we try to make change to the copies for color, etc., we can do that, but we can't do that for any major change. Like we can't change it to change its data type, etc., and it wouldn't reflect in the other instances.